This is how to transfer a TFSA from ATB Financial to Wealthsimple. Once you guys open up Wealthsimple, at the very bottom, select the icon that has the arrows pointing in opposite directions. Once you're here, scroll down a little bit to where it says Accounts, and then select Transfer Account to Wealthsimple, and then select Get Started. Once you're here, ATB Financial does not appear under the most popular, so instead you have to go to where it says search for your institution and then start typing in ATB Financial. Once it appears, just select it. Then on this page, make sure that you select the TFSA as that is what you want to transfer, and then press Next. Once you're here, you can go ahead and fill in the following information to proceed with the transfer, but that is how you guys can transfer a TFSA over from ATB Financial to Wealthsimple. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.